I'm going to be taking this Robinhood account from $500 to $5,000 in 3 days. And if I don't succeed, I'm going to lose all the money that's in the account. Even if I make $1,000 in profit, all the money will be going to my friend who let me use his Robinhood account. Before we get into the trading, let's go over the rules. The first rule is that I'm basically a complete beginner. This means I'm only going to get 3 day trades and then I'm going to have to swing trade the rest. The second rule is that I can only use the apps that I normally use to day trade. This means I can only use Robinhood and Quant Data to look up the trades that I want to make. And the third rule is that all trading stops at 3:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. It is currently Tuesday, so I have exactly 3 days to take my account from $500 to $5,000 or else I lose all the money that I put in. Now let's get into the first trading day. Okay guys, so I just woke up and it is officially day 2. And today's actually going to be one of the most important days of this video. That's because the Fed minutes come out today. If you guys don't know, the Federal Reserve actually has a ton of influence on the market. And the last time that the Federal Reserve talked, I actually made 1,000% return on my investments. Now, as you guys can see here, we are on Quant Data and you can see that Quant Data has the market sentiment as bearish. Now that paired with this bearish graph means I'm going to be buying puts for today. Okay, so I looked things over and I think I found the put I want to buy. I'm going to be looking to buy this Apple put from July 29th because I think it's finally ready to go back down. Okay, so here we are on Robinhood. I'm going to be going to Apple, clicking trade options, July 29th, looking for the 130 put, and I'm going to be buying one put for about 193. I'm hoping that will fill. I'll let you guys know if it does. Okay, so I modified my order and now it's 194 and there it goes. It is filled. I have my first option open. All right, I'll see you when I buy or sell my next option.
1 hour later.
Okay, so I found 2 more plays I want to get into. The first put is going to be QQQ and the second put is going to be IWM, which are puts in a sea of green, but a wise man once said, buy when people are fearful and sell when people are greedy. As you can see from these trend lines, these charts do not look very good in favor for QQQ as well as IWM, so let's get into this. As you can see here, I already bought the QQQ put, which is up 6%, and I'm buying IWM now before the market starts to go absolutely crazy. So I'm going to go to July 29th. I'm going to find the $145 put, which is going to cost me about $44 per contract. But I'm actually going to be buying 2 contracts as I think this is going to be a pretty profitable play here. So there we go. I swiped up and my order has been received and filled. So now I have a bunch of orders open and you can see right here that I am up on my QQQ put. I am down on my Apple and IWM puts, but I'm expecting these to print tomorrow morning, not right now. Okay guys, so it's been a few hours and I've bought another contract of IWM, this time a $165 put, and we are now down about 13% of the day, down $59, down 11%, and it looks like we're bouncing back here. Options are very volatile. We may be down $60 right now, but going into tomorrow, I really do believe that we'll be up about 100%.
Stop the cap.
Now I need to get to 1,000% if I want to keep this account. Reminder guys, I will be giving away this account if I don't get this account to $5,000. So I need to really do well tomorrow morning. I expect that to happen. I'll give you another update whenever that does happen.
5 hours later.
And okay, so we're back at the end of the trading day and it was a bumpy ride. If we take a look at the Robinhood account, you can see that we started out the day at $500 and we immediately dropped down all the way to being down 22.5%, down $112. But then by the end of the day, we started to jump back up and now we're sitting down about $59 or 12%. And I think that we're going to be seeing a massive increase in the morning. Now, the reason that I think that we should be seeing a massive increase in our portfolio tomorrow is because we've seen too many green days in a row, and I believe we are going to be tanking at market open tomorrow, and I'll be cashing in on my puts. So yeah, it's been a terrible start to the day. However, this is pretty much what I thought would happen, and I believe I'm going to be banking come tomorrow morning. And the great thing is all these are going to be swing trades, so I'm going to have all 3 of my day trades to play around with tomorrow and the next day after that. So that's going to be it for today. We're down $59. Let's see how we open in the morning. And really quick guys, before we get into the rest of the video, I do want to mention you can get 6 free stocks when you get signed up with WeBull. If you sign up with WeBull and deposit just 1 cent, you're going to get up to 6 stocks that could be worth up to $12,600. You can trade stock options on there and it's a great platform overall, so go ahead and get yourself some free cash by getting signed up with WeBull with the first link in the description. But anyways, on to day 2.
8 hours later.
Okay guys, so I just woke up. Let's check our account to see how we did. Okay, so let's check it out in 3, 2, 1, and we're down $225. So the market didn't go the way I thought it would and we are paying for it today. However, I do think we can still have a chance of bouncing back and maybe even getting back to that $500 starting level, but it's looking very bleak for the challenge of getting to $5,000.
What the fuck?
So here's the reason I'm a bit confused on why things didn't go down today. I had an Apple put open and the EU just passed regulations that threaten big tech's status quo, including Apple's app dominance. I thought that wouldn't be very good for Apple. However, they're still down 27% today. I still think that we can bounce back, but I'll come back to you guys next time I buy or sell something or have an update for you guys.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, so I have a couple of updates for you guys. So currently we're down about 223 over the past 2 days and we're down 164 today, but I have a few calls I did not tell you about. So first off, we have this Fastly call that I bought for 22 cents per share and I end up selling it at 38 cents per share. So that was about a 16 cent gain or $16 gain, and it offset some of my losses, not all obviously. And then now I have this Nvidia call open, which I bought for about 52 cents per share or $52. So we'll see how that does go. I still have all of my puts open and I'm really just hoping that tomorrow we open up deep in the red and these puts end up playing out. They do have expirations about a week out, so it shouldn't be too bad, but that's basically where we stand right now. I'm down about $223 since we started this challenge. So as you can see here, I bought the Nvidia call for about 52 cents. I sold it for about 68 cents for a $16 gain, but that is not going to be enough to get us to that $5,000 mark. I mean, clearly I'm down $215. I'm just trying to get back into the positive before the day is over tomorrow. And these are the options that I have open. I have QQQ, IWM, Apple, IWM, and Hood. Really, my only hope is that the market opens in the red tomorrow and I get to sell these for a profit. But as of right now, getting to $5,000 seems a bit out of reach. But after the update, we're sitting at about $285. Let's see what I can do tomorrow.
8 hours later.
And okay, you guys, it is day 3 and I've decided to exit all of my positions. At this point, getting to $5,000 seems a bit out of reach considering I have no day trades left and my positions didn't exactly work out how I wanted them to. But anyways, without further ado, let's go over the final results of this video. And over the past week, we were down $249.18, making it a 50% loss over the past 3 days. So this is obviously not how I expected the challenge to go. But there's a few reasons why it did go this way that I want to share with you guys. Normally when you're trading, you want to be trading with about 10 to 20% of your account at once. For me, I only had 3 day trades and I was stuck in these positions where I was down so much it really didn't make much sense to go out, especially when I thought the market would be bearish. But if you learned anything from this video, do not be using your whole portfolio to trade in 3 different options, or it could go exactly how it went for me today. If I did this over a different 3-day span where the market was bearish the whole time, I could have easily got to that $5,000 mark. However, the market went bullish and then I was stuck in these positions and you see where the challenge ended up. But anyways, I guess my friend just has $250 to play around with in his Robinhood now. I'm gonna leave it to him and I'm gonna go back to my nice cushy trading account on my Robinhood. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. Make sure you guys get your 6 free stocks from the first link in the description. Join our free Discord with the second link in the description. I'm Zach with Finance Bro. Take it easy.